Well, I've got another modification for Minty. Yay! And this time, David's not doing it, I'm doing it.
Oh, what's occurring?
One of the things that really cheeses me off is when we're at an event and the car park or the grass is on a slope and the door, I want open, but I might not want it all the way open. So unless it's all the way back and hooked on, it bashes into me and it closes. It's a pain in the flipping neck, to be honest with you. There we go. That's fine, isn't it? But if I just went in halfway, so I thought I'd have a little look on YouTube, because that's where I find everything else, to see if there's anything out there that can stop this. So I looked on YouTube, and a good friend of ours, Sam Anderson from the Crafty Blinders Van Life, he did a video on this a while back. So I searched the internet and I've managed to get something that can solve the problem. It's turned up. I've got it. Neat little box. Got it on Amazon. Less than a tenner. So what have we got in the box then? We have got a glove, alcohol pad. This is like a rougher up for the metal. Here's the glue. Here's the actual item. And for all those men out there that don't read the instructions, this is called an installation manual. As you can see, this attachment is silver. And ironically, when Sam did his video, he had a silver rail and a black one of these. And I've got a black rail with a silver one of these. Now this, as I said, was just below a tenner. You could get black ones, but they were like £40. So I opted for this. So where I'd like the door to stop, it's just about here, so it still gives me enough room to go in, but it's protecting this bit as well. Yeah, I think it will give me enough room to get my fat arse in. So while that is on there, that little indentation there will just go up. The roller will go up over that and stay in there. So that's all I need to do. This is the rail that the door opens on. So that's all I've got to do is place that, glue that where I want it. So that's all I need to do now is work out where I want it to be stopped. And going on the run here, I've marked it smack in the middle there. That's where I want it to be stopped. So that's all I need now is to prep the area for the instructions and way to go. So I've got the abrasive pad, and what I need to do now is do the flat edge of this and also do the where it's actually going to go on the runner on the van. And this will create a key to help produce a bond between the glue and the surface. And now I just need to key exactly where the runner is, where on the runner where this is going to go. Next stage, alcohol pad to clean the surface of this. So that's nice and clean. And to do the rail outside. All nice and clean. Now it does say in the instructions that you need a bit of cardboard to mix this. And I was going to say, well, they could have supplied it, but they have. So I've popped this on here and I've done the same proportion from A and B, and then you just use the back of this to mix it up, making sure it's mixed really well. So I'm using the gloves so they don't get grease onto this flat surface, making sure that you get it evenly on the flat surface. It is a bit messy, but once you've got it all covered, then you use the other end oh, it is delicate. The other end to scrape it out, so you've got no lumps and bumps when it's going to squeeze off. And now to put it in place. And now that is smack on, I think, where I want it. Press a little bit in there. All done. So now this is in position, I'm just going to go over with the alcohol wipe gently to make sure that any excess glue is taken off. And now we've got to wait, but it says 6 hours, but I think it'll be better to come back and have a look, see how it works tomorrow. Yeah, giving it 24 hours, so I'm really excited it's going to work. So let's have a look at this now. Well, it looks pretty solid. Voila. That's all the way. And that's it on there. So no pushing it back. So let's have a little closer look. It just stays there. Brilliant. And then also, as this has worked so well, if you look at this, it does shut. So I might even put one so I can just jar it open there. Marvellous. Who says a woman needs a man? Managed it all on my own, and I'm definitely going to put another one in as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, drop a comment what you've done, or do you think that it would be handy to have yourself for a van, and subscribe, it is free, and we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, what's occurring?